How to fix game not visible in Google Play Store on Realme 15 Lite. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here scroll down. So click on Play Store. Now here, so click on this A icon. So scroll down, click on settings. Now in setting you will see click on family. Now here you will see click on null control. So first of all turn on this button. So after turn on this button click on apps and games. So enter password you will see. So after click on save. So after the process go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix game not visible in Google Play Store on Realme 15 Lite. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.